I bought a 23-teen Ram 1500. Everyone said I was crazy. Forums said avoid it. Mechanics warned me. The most hated Ram year ever made. 60,000 miles later, what happened will shock you. Why 2013 is hated? Reason 1, lifter failure. Collapses at 50 to 80,000 miles. Repair, $4,000 to $6,000. Reason 2, transmission shudder. ZF 8-speed vibrates. No permanent fix. Reason 3, dashboard recall. Uconnect freezes. Total replacement needed. Every forum, worst Ram ever. So why did I buy it? 23-teen Ram, $14,000. Same year F-150, $18,000. I saved $4,000 because of the bad reputation. Pre-purchase inspection. Lifters sound fine now, but they will fail. I bought it anyway. That was 6,000 miles ago. What actually happened? First 6 months, perfect. 0 issues. 1 year, 20,000 miles, still perfect. 18 months, 40,000 miles, still nothing. My truck now has 130,000 miles total. Lifters, still perfect. Transmission, smooth. Engine, strong. 0 major problems. Here's the truth. Lifter failures only happen with 4 things combined. 1, 5.7 Hemi. 2, active fuel management. 3, conventional oil. 4, 10,000 mile oil changes. All 4 together, lifters fail. Missing even 1 usually survives. My secret, full synthetic Pennzoil. Changed every 5,000 miles, not 10,000. Transmission fluid changed at 60,000, not 100,000 like manual says. Result, 130,000 miles, 0 failures. The transmission shudder, preventable. Change fluid every 60,000 miles. I did mine at 60,000 and 120,000. 0 shudder, shifts like new. Dashboard recall, covered free by extended warranty. Mine fixed at 70,000 miles, 0 cost. My total cost, 60,000 miles. Oil changes, $1,000. Transmission service, $300. Filters and fluids, $200. Total, $1,500. No lifter replacement, no transmission rebuild. And I saved $4,000 buying the hated year. How to buy 2013 Ram Smart. Check service records first. Good signs. Synthetic oil used? Yes. 5,000 mile changes? Yes. Transmission serviced? Yes. Buy it. These are gold. Bad signs. No service records? Walk away. The most hated year is actually the best deal if you know how to maintain it.